Hello guys, today we're gonna introduce the Jowua Custom Wrap Studio. So following Tesla last Christmas update, you can now edit your own Tesla wraps in your car, and this can be a bit annoying to do by yourself if you need to download the template, go to Canva, edit the template by yourself. It can be a long process. So just to ease the process, I created a little tool for you to directly do it on the website. Add your image, download the file, and put it in your car. So today we're gonna run through it quickly with Chris and present you guys how to use it in the best ways.
Let's get started right away.
All right, so here we are in the Wrap Studio. As you can see, right here there's directly the expand button, and we will directly do this so everything looks better. So we have 4 tabs. We have the Home tab, where you have a quick rundown on how it works and where you can select your car model. Then we have a How to Use tab, where we have a very detailed description of all the different tools, all the different functions, all the different things that you can do and how it works exactly. So if you prefer reading about it, you can just simply go here. And then we have a Community tab, where you can see designs by other people that have been submitted. And of course, as we say here, you can also submit your own design.
Also for the community, you can also download the design of your choice. Like for example, you can filter by models, and let's say you got a Model Y Premium 2025, then you got a few models available. You can directly download them and upload them for your car. We will of course make this community list growing as people send us their own design.
In order to best show you guys how to use this model, we thought we would just run down a little design by ourselves. So let's choose the Model Y Juniper here, and we directly get thrown into the editor. And let's start with the layers mode first, which is the more elaborate one. For this little tutorial, we will be doing the Mats and Cuts car, which we have already seen in the Community tab. For this car, I used a lot of ChatGPT to generate certain assets. ChatGPT is good at giving you certain things, like for example, this furry texture. However, it's not good at ideally copying the template. So we recommend using ChatGPT and assisting getting these little like textures and assets, but the tool will still be better in like accurately making a design by yourself. As you can see, the Mats and Cuts car, the Shaggin' Wagon from Dumb and Dumber, is like a little dog. So first I let ChatGPT help me do a little furry design here. And then of course on top of that we need to put some other design features to make this car really look like in the movie. For that, for example, we have the Mats and Cuts sign. We can just simply go and import that here. And you can see if you drag it a little bit, you can decrease the size. The same is also possible over here on the left side. You can see the scale bar, which you can use to increase or decrease the size, but personally I'm more used to just using this. And then when applying these things, always make sure that you align it with the bottom line of the car, because this is the real horizontal line of the car. So if you align it with this,
it will be the
design will
for
be
the car, basically.
Straight, exactly. Right, so here we have the sign. In the movie, the sign is on both sides. So you have the option over here to duplicate. So right now I can just pull this away and you see we have it twice.
Also for duplicating, if you prefer, you just can just also do Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, that also works.
The benefit of the layers mode is that if you have more elaborate designs, you are able to switch the layers to decide what is in the foreground and what is in the background. For example, if I take this fur design now and pull it onto this position, it will switch, and you see that the sign on the right side now moves behind the fur, so it's not visible anymore. For more elaborate designs, this is very useful. Of course, with this design right now, we don't really need it. So we have the sign here, the Mats and Cuts sign. I think this is already fine. If you want to go back and work on this sign, for example, always make sure to choose the right layer that you're working on. And then to make this car really look like a car, I also generated this dog nose. For this dog nose, we want to put it onto the hood and onto the front of the car. If I would do it like this now, you see that there's some dead space in between these two parts, and part of the design gets wasted. I don't really want that, so again I will duplicate this layer, and now I have it twice. And what I can do now is I double click it, and I'm able to crop the image. So like this, now I can separate the nose from the mouth. So here we have a nose layer, and then I can go in here and double click, and we will have a mouth layer too. So now I can edit my mouth separately from the nose and make sure that it has the right size and that it's like properly visible on the front. For me, I want to see it just like that. This is fine. And then we go for the mouth, for the nose, and we can just move the nose down here, and just like that you already got the design finished. Basically this is all I did, but of course you could also go and maybe add a little design to look like an ear, or you know, you can add it however you like it. The more stuff you bring into the design, the better it looks. So this is already kind of how this works. You could go here and click download. You'll get this little pop-up which asks you if you want to share the creation. If you click yes, share, you will send it to us and we will upload it in the community tab to make it available for everyone to use. In this case, I just want to download it, so I just click no, just download, and the design will be downloaded for you. Another thing that we can do is, I will delete all of the designs now. We also have this option here for a gradient. So you can, for example, choose custom colors. My favorite color is blue, and add them to this gradient. Let's go from a dark to a light blue, and it will add this gradient to the background of the car. Now, if you, for example, like music, let's import this musical note here. You can click this button, mosaic, and it will add this note multiple times. So you can create this cool mosaic effect. If you want to have it even more, you can click the mosaic button again, and now you have a lot of small musical notes. Like this, you can create your own little design in whatever way you want to, and you could also, for example, turn it around by clicking this mirror button here. Finally, we also have this parts option, which is currently still a work in progress. Here you directly choose which part you want to put a design on. For example, I want to put something on the left side, and let's take this cool picture of Naruto that I found. Then you have it directly here, just on this side. Then on the right side you'll have the scale and the rotation option again, so you can adjust it however you like. And let's, for example, just keep it like this for visibility right now. We also have this option up here where you can transfer the thing that you see from one side to another. So now I mirror it from the left side to the right side, and you'll have the same exact design that you put on the left side also available on the right side. This will help you quickly adjust the designs for both sides and make sure that everything looks exactly the same.
For the final word, I will also say, like, if you guys have any recommendation or little questions, like, feel free to reach out. Like, we can either both implement new features in a web app, or we can also like help you, guide you to use it the best way possible. And stay tuned, because we got some Wraps competition coming in. We'll share more info about it later in 2026.
For now, we leave this tool to you guys. Go ahead and practice creating the coolest wraps possible. We're excited to see your guys' submissions to the community tab, and we're looking forward to see your guys' creativity. Thanks for checking this video. Drive safe and see you next time. Bye bye.